Ayan, dalawa na kami. Two vehicles. Our tent or docking tent is also finished. Wow! Vegetable. Birds of Paradise. It's raining here at Babaw Davao. There's our campfire for tonight.
What's cooking?
Breakfast, mommy. Breakfast. Lunch with meat and egg.
Hello YouTube, please like and subscribe.
Okay.
Pwede dito?
Ito? Pwede.
Ang setup dapat lima.
Ay, atras pa. Atras ka, doy.
Ano naman din yung kukunin?
Parang mga rag.
Touchdown. O, ayan. Dalawa na kami. Oh, two vehicles. Oh. Medyo hilas mode ngayon yung brother ko ngayon kasi bago yung kanyang owning. It's a stand-alone owning. You don't have to put poles on it.
Bago ko ini.
Uy!
Ay, kalam sa salad.
So, yung old awning niya, abangan ninyo sa next vlog. Kasi yung lumang awning niya, guess where? Guess where? Saan ikakabit? Basta ngayon, hilas mode talaga siya ngayon. Hilas mode.
Mga po guys. Yes.
Ay, kangkong na.
Wow! Vegetable.
Kay dali ra kay siya set up. Kuway daghang
Vegetable.
oh.
Salad.
Ano to kang kuya ang pero ang problema ko kang kuya kay kailangan.
Okay guys, back to nag-advertisement lang tayo sandali, commercial break. So, 2 cups of flour. The recipe will be added on your screen. I-edit ni Kuya Mac Vlogs. So, 2 cups of flour, bread flour. Kung pwede, or okay lang din all-purpose. And then, ano pa ba? 2.25 teaspoons of salt, then 2.25 teaspoons of yeast. Ang gamit namin is active dry yeast para mabilis lang siya. And then 2 tablespoons pala of sugar. And then 1 cup of water. After nyan, lagay nyo lang sa Ziploc bag and mix. Okay, so mix muna natin to guys. I'll be right back. Alright. So, ayan na guys. Ayan na, we have our bread mixture ready to go. Gimix-mix ko lang siya. I-feel yung kulang ng water, don't worry, hindi yan kulang sa water kasi mag-rice pa ito, guys. Please forgive my allergies, guys, kay grabe ang pollen. O, ayan, nag-start na po siya ng ferment as you can see with the air in the bag. So, put this in a warm place. If nag-camping kayo somewhere na malamig, I suggest you put it sa where? Sa engine bay ng car nyo, guys. Alright, so let's ferment. Hello, guys. So, ayan po, we're almost done setting up. Let's give you a tour of Aray ko. First tour tayo ng Camp Montero. This is Motherhoods, ang mother ni Kuya Mac Vlogs, and ang mother namin lahat magkakapatid, obviously. This is Maggie Toots Toots. Hi. So, here we have our awning. Ayan po ang awning natin. So, ang awning is, I don't know what it's called, pero expandable siya, guys. Parang ganun-ganun, and hindi niya na need ng poles daw. Pero may pole pa din. False marketing. So, here is the inside sa car. May mga stuff pa na ililipat pa sa tent. So, this is tent 1. Diri may matulog ni Motherhoods. Wala pa ang tent 2. Tent 2 will be set up later. Shaders daw muna ngayon, guys. So, that's it for the tour ng Camp Montero. We will have a tour of Camp Expander later on today.
Our tent or docking tent is also finished. We finished setting up. What?
But I have my food.
Okay. So why are you putting Teddy inside your jacket?
That's because she has to stay safe.
Okay.
So I won't lose him.
Is his name Teddy, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rainy.
Rainy, you have to protect her and you have to protect yourself.
Yeah.
Okay. It's raining here at Babaw Davao. Last time we were here, it rained, but later in the evening, it seems that rain.
This time it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. Rain has come earlier than last time. It's about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. What time is it?
4:07.
It's 4:07, and ayun, it's raining. Compared to last time, the wind is picking up here at campsite. Pero okay naman kasi maganda yung pagkakaset up.
Compared to last time, may kapitbahay kami.
Prepping for dinner. Oh. Who the heck?
Oh, sila pa yung nagkalat ng basurahan.
Hindi kaya ito hilaw dahil? Parang siyang bibingka. Smells weird. What you cooking, chef?
Curry.
Huh?
We're making curry.
Curry? Chicken curry or pork curry? So for dinner tonight, salt and pepper spare ribs, camping style or shortcut only. So prepare the dry butter. You don't eat wet butter kasi mabasa-basa naman yung ano. Wet naman yung meat. Yan. Ito yung dry butter natin, cornstarch lang, salt and pepper. Okay, maya toppings tayo ng garlic. So we're heating our cast iron. When okay na yung cast iron, mainit na, pwede na yung lagyan ng mantika. So medyo kailangan marami-rami konti yung mantika. Siguro tingnan niyo kung gaano kakapal yung meat ninyo. You see to it na at least siguro almost halfway through ang ma-sear or maluto sa meat. And then you just do it like both sides. So what we're going to do, ayan, I put my meats in a vacuum seal. Pag nag-camping, it's better to put your meat in a vacuum sealed, or you get a vacuum sealer, vacuum seal your meats para walang contamination. Okay, so there it is. Just
Guys, yamak ng manok.
sa kabila, may cooking show rin sa kabila. Maingay lang yung chef doon sa kabila. Problem right now, nakalimutan yung tongs or yung ngayon. There's a possibility pag nagbabutter ka ng both wet and dry sa isang kamay, dikit-dikit yung mag-form into clumps dito. So manual na lang tayo, ganyan-ganyan. Okay. Just lightly coat it. Hindi kailangan siyang makapal. Lightly coat. Okay. So I don't know how I'm going to do this, but yeah. Sear on both sides, or fry on both sides, no? Until fully cooked. Siguro about 1 to 2 minutes on both sides. Okay.
Vlogception, guys.
Ayan. Turn it over on the other side. So if you see this side, ano na ito? This is golden brown already. So luto-luto na yan. So may parts kasi na medyo maano pa. Now we will cook the sauce, butter sauce. So wait for your pan to get. Don't need to add oil. Mismo yung butter or margarine. Tapos lagyan niyo ng garlic. Drizzle it over the. Drizzle this over your pero ibahin muna natin yung parte ni Maggie. Voila, our salt and pepper spare ribs topped with butter sauce. There you are. Breakfast, mommy. Breakfast. Lunch and meat and egg. Omelette. Ano yung pinakasinungaling na sentence na narinig mo? Yung sabing, konti lang, kukunin.
I-record niyo ba dudunggan ako?
Doy, naka-face tracking siya, Doy, pero ang ginatingnan niya yung pagkain, food tracking siya. Hi guys. Last time I vlogged, I mentioned that here at HD Farm, there were a lot of beautiful and gorgeous bougainvillea plants that seem to have grown and are unusually big compared to the small bougainvillea plants that we see, or normally what we see every day. These are not the typical bougainvillea plants. These are those that are actually grafted. I made mention last time. I have to correct myself. Sabi ko marcoted. Actually, the term is grafted. The small branches or the young branches of another variety is usually grafted or placed over a mature branch, no, and it doesn't have to be the same species. It's a bougainvillea plant over a mature branch of another species of a tree. It could be, pwede siya maging tsaang gubat, anything that's compatible na where the small branch or the variety or the bougainvillea variety could thrive. So yun siya. Correct myself, it's not marketed, it's grafted. Yan eh. See? So, kaya pala, makita mo, there are other, you will see that there are plants, bougainvillea plants that are unusually big. Kasi malaki na yung branches, mature na, pinapatong na lang doon yung, in layman's term, parang pinapatong na lang doon yung younger variety or smaller branch of the bougainvillea plant.
Beautiful day. I like Christmas to get my life. It's a kind of beautiful day. Do you want to relax with me?
I want to relax with you.
Okay, come.
Okay. Later on.
Okay.
After I finish fixing our things first.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
We will be leaving camp in just a few minutes. My brother is just preparing. Nag-aayos lang ng mga gamit. In a while, we'll be leaving and we will be taking a drone shot of our group. Our group is called the Campingers. It's funny. funny yung medyo awkward yung pangalan, pero direct to the point, The Campingers. What else naman siguro ang ipapangalan mo sa amin? Palaging nagka-camping o mahilig mag-camping. So it's a windy day, a very nice, very gorgeous day here at HD Farm. And ang comment or anong palagay ng team or ng kapatid ko, namin lahat dito, again, it never ceases to amaze us, and hindi naman nag-fail ang expectations namin dito sa lugar ito. Dito sa HG Farm, Babaw Davao. Sige lang, po-promote natin to ng maayos, and then hopefully a lot of car campers will come to know this place and pupunta rin dito. Baka mag-i-invite na rin kami ng mga car campers dito. Guys, I hope you liked our video for today. Don't forget to like and share, and if you are new to this channel, you can support us by hitting the subscribe button. Please leave a comment on the comment section if you want to know more about this video and my other videos as well. You can also hit the notification bell for updates and new content on my channel. Happy car camping sa tanan ug daghang salamat!